Well, a massive asteroid that was originally hurtling toward our planet may no longer be a threat. That's good news. But researchers recently discovered the 200-foot wide asteroid dubbed 2024 YR4 might slam into the moon instead, potentially carving out a new crater visible from Earth. Joining me now is former NASA astronaut Leroy Chiao. Leroy, thank you for your time to talk about this. When will this asteroid potentially strike the moon? And is there anything to actually be worried about here?
Well, the thing to keep in mind is that orbital mechanics is not a precise business. You might remember, I think it was 6 months or maybe even a year ago, when there was all this excitement about a huge asteroid that was going to come and hit the Earth in the next several years. And then astronomers refined their measurements, redid some calculations, and decided that actually there was no threat whatsoever. So we'll have to see how this goes. There's the Earth takes impacts every day, and so does the moon, much more so than the Earth. So this is really nothing new. It's just a kind of a big piece. 200 feet is a large asteroid, if you will. We'll know more as we get closer and refine the measurements.
Well, thank goodness for their math, ever in our favor here. Will this outer space collision actually be visible from Earth?
So if a 200-foot object, a wide object, slams into the moon and on the side of the moon that's visible from the Earth, then we should be able to observe it pretty well with telescopes, certainly.
Okay, and let me ask you about this. 2024 YR4, it might be the largest asteroid to crash into the moon in 5,000 years. You were mentioning the size of it. How deep of a divot, an impact to the moon's surface, can we anticipate?
You know what? That's not really my area of expertise, so I couldn't really tell you. But I'm sure it's traveling fast, and it's going to make a big hole for sure. I mean, you could look at some of the things that we see here on the Earth. Meteor Crater in Arizona was a piece of iron that was much, much smaller and made a pretty good-sized crater. So, you look at some of the huge craters on the moon, notably, some of the things at the South Pole, and it's pretty impressive what these objects can do.
NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization, they're expected to launch a new satellite into orbit this week. The satellite was built to capture images of nearly all of the Earth's land and ice surfaces. What are scientists hoping to learn from these new pictures?
So there are two interesting things about this satellite. First, it's being created by the Indian Space Research Organization, and it's kind of a joint thing with NASA, and that NASA instruments will be on board as well. There'll be two what we call synthetic aperture radar sets, and they're going to provide the most accurate radar maps of the Earth to date. And so that's pretty exciting because it will have a lot of applications for different kinds of scientists, and also for just understanding more of how the Earth is, what different areas of the Earth look like.
Well, Leroy Chiao, thank you for your time, and I'm glad that this is not a look up moment from 2024 YR4. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks.